Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. If you are a mom like me, you know how frustrating it is to have dirty bottles to clean all the time and how long it takes to make sure that they are properly clean. Thankfully, since I have gotten this rechargeable bottle brush by WHNL, it takes me so much less time to clean the bottles, I no longer dread it. It's actually kind of fun. Another really awesome thing is that it comes with this straw cleaner that is really small but also has a super big handle on it. A lot of times when I'm cleaning straws, I get the straw cleaner stuck in there because the little handle to pull it out is so small. So I really appreciate how big they have made this one because it makes it so much easier. This just overall makes everything so much easier for me. Both the silicone heads come off of the plastic holder so that you are able to sterilize them to make sure that they are thoroughly clean. I love that it came with this holder to mount it to wherever you would like to keep it off your counter and to allow it to dry properly, so that is super handy. If you are constantly washing bottles and you would like something to quicken it up or make it a little bit easier, I highly recommend this bottle brush. I love it. It's super easy to use and you can even sterilize it to make sure that it is nice and clean. I love it and I think you will too. And that's my point of view.